How to fix Windows Update error 0x80240019 on Windows 11. To fix Windows Update error 0x80240019 on Windows 11, try 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 2. Clear software distribution at c:\windows\soft_twa redistribution and Catro2 folder at %winder%system32 in Windows safe mode. 3. Reset/clear Windows Update cache/components in a fast way. Hint: Google, then download Reset Windows Update Agent tool. 4. Manually download and install updates by accessing Microsoft Update Catalog site. 5. Clear pending.xml file. Run ren c:\windows\wins_xs\pending.xml pending.old. Command as admin. 6. For advanced users, check Windows Update log file at c:\windows\windowsupdate.log and run Windows Event Viewer to get more details.